StarBoardLocker Dinghy Restoration. As you can see, all the top now has been sanded off. There was 8 coats of varnish to be removed, so we used the orbital sander to take the top coat. I'll sander again on a light paper to remove the remaining varnish. Now bleaching. Now is I've bleached the foredeck and down the sides. I did first wet it with water, allowed the water to soak in, and then I've actually used just household bleach. The idea of this is if you've got any really bad staining where the water's got under the varnish, the idea is that the bleach will lift that staining out. There is a bit of a stain here, as you can see, but this dries off. It may well clear it. This should probably dry out in the next hour or so, clear any traces of the bleach, and then give it quite a fine sand. So that's all for now.